What's going down? First day fishing, Sac River. Take a quick break, try some more rigs early. Lost on the shit. But the weather's nice. Slow flow. Only see a couple of fish taken today, so one of them slow days was good. I'm trying to go drop to the next spot and see what's going on, so I'll holler at you in a second. Welcome to it all. This is American River steelhead season. The whole bobbers. I'm watching the whole bobber salmon egg deal. 3-foot leader, split shot. This is the river, man. Camera finally works today. Happy. Taking a quick breather. Had to go tie some more rigs. All my shit got lost earlier, so I figured I'd take a break, film a little bit. I never do. This is my other spot. Check out this salmon. It's right from where our fish night's she's putting eggs into the ground. Oh, shit. Cruising right there. Salmon are pretty beat up. They spawned out. This one's about to finish up spawning. Hooked one, lost one. That's how shit goes.